Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox lag. To know how to fix how to solve Roblox lag, you can go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox and you will enter. Here in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. First stop. Then we will enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you find it, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.